What a monster. So complete urban automotive body kit installed in this one. So we've previously done some protection film on it, and that was just for everything that he wasn't changing. So what he added was all the carbon accents, so all the fender flares, the rear bumpers, front bumpers, the tire cover, these are all full carbon pieces that are painted. Just the detail, I absolutely am in love with how wide this truck looks. The hood is all carbon fiber, so we have a lot of custom to do on this truck. But wow, it looks absolutely amazing. I don't know if you guys have seen the interior of these trucks, but it's absolutely stunning. Hey, what's up guys? So we're actually just shooting a video. So we're shooting Sorensen shooting the video for our door edge protection kit, which is what we're going to be offering for Tesla Model 3s. So that's what we're doing right now, and I'll show you guys what's going on in the shop in a little bit. So guys, this is the tutorial. If you guys are wondering how to protect the door edges of your Model 3, we've created this kit. All right, cool guys, just finished shooting that door edge protection kit video. So right behind me we have the Macan. It's sick in the satin black. So original color is already gloss black. We just put the satin protection film just to change the finish. Right here we have Red Raven Construction Company. They wanted us to do a custom design, so we designed and we're installing a vinyl to promote their business, for them to be visual when they're parked outside of clients' places. This is rolling advertisements, guys, so it's really good. And obviously we have triple Tesla here, complete car getting wrapped, including the door jambs. Then we're doing a protection film on the entire thing. Huge project that we'll be showing you. And this one front end and rockers, that one front end and rockers, and a ceramic coating. By the way, I want to introduce you guys to Choi. This is Choi. He actually is the newest member to the team. It's the end of the day, that's why he's wearing his jacket. He doesn't usually rap like this. But he actually has, what'd you say, Tony? You want a shout out, Tony? Hey, by the way, guys, this is Tony. He's installing the PPF on this car. He doesn't talk much. He doesn't talk much, but when he does,
better listen.
You better listen. Oh man, yeah. So Choi is actually has many years as a mechanic, experience as a mechanic, and he has many years of experience installing vinyl wrap in Korea, also in Montreal. Also, he's going to be helping us with some protection film. So you'll be seeing him in the next videos. And are you okay being on camera?
Sure.
Cool. Awesome.
People that talk, so.
Yeah, we're gonna have like a Korean translation. No. So this is the final completion of Nardo Gray in an Inozatec full bike wrap. So extremely awesome looking color. The owner wanted to come pick it up today, but it's raining. So that's a quick summary of what's going on in the shop, guys. We'll show you guys what's happening and how they're installing, but we'll see you guys in a bit.